Hi, hi. This is Celia from Each Learning. Okay, how are you guys? So today we're going to learn, like Chinese together. Okay, and today's topic we're going to learn today is about the curse. So today we got like two words to learn. So, you can see the screen, right? The picture is here, so you can see that clear. So today we are going to learn maybe just for two words. Okay, just wait. Let me move here. Okay. So you can see here. So we got like two words, right? So the first one is cold. Okay, maybe you can read after me. Cold. Cool. That would be the first tone. It's a soft tone, right? Because there is no tone in it. So that would be cold. From the picture, you can see "裤子" is like pants, right? 裤子. Okay. The second word is 鞋子. 鞋子. So you can see the first character. Yeah, the first opinion. This is the second tone. We say 鞋子. 鞋子. 鞋子 means okay, shoes, right? 鞋子. Okay. So one more time for these two words. Okay, read after me. The first one is 裤子. 裤子. Second time, the second word is 鞋子. 鞋子. Okay. Okay, so let's do more practice with them. Okay. So from the picture here, I think. Okay. So we also need. Okay, so when we talk about the clothing stuff, okay, so there is a very important verb. The word we need to remember. This is like wear. 穿. Okay. So you can see here, 穿. So first tone, because it's the first tone, okay? So I just use one, the number one to represent it, okay? So this is 穿 means wear. Okay, 穿. So yeah, from the picture here, you can see that person, right? That little boy is like wearing the clothes, right? So we say 穿衣服. Okay, we say 穿衣服. Okay, so yeah, just remember, okay? Memorize this word. It's very important. Yeah. So 穿. So 穿衣服. Okay, wear clothes. Okay. So the next one, let's see. Okay, from the picture we already know, right? So yeah, I think it's like girl, right? This girl is wearing the pants, right? So the pants we just learned before, that would be 裤子, right? 裤子. So okay, so we're going to like wear pants, right? So put this together. So where is 穿, right? The pen or pants is 裤子, right? 裤子. So together we say 穿裤子. Sorry, I'm going to move this one. Okay. 穿裤子. Okay. 穿裤子. Okay. So next one. So the next word here we're going to learn today, that would be the shoes, right? Shoes we just learned. Shoes in Chinese. Remember? We just learned to say it's like 鞋子. So 鞋子 that means like shoes. Okay? So like wear shoes. So we'll say 穿鞋子. Okay, so this is 穿鞋子. Okay, so we got like three phrases. Okay, so one more time for the first one, that would be 穿衣服. 穿衣服. Second, 穿裤子. 穿裤子. Last word, 穿鞋子. 穿鞋子. Okay, yeah. Okay, any question? If you have any question, you can type, okay? yeah, you can type the question. So when I saw the message, I will I will like reply to you. Okay. So this is 川. Okay. So let's see the next one. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry. Let's go back to here. So see. So this is 裤子, right? 裤子. Depends. 裤子. Okay. So, and I think we learned before about the colors. Okay. So see here. So that way the phrase is like 黑色的裤子. 黑色. Still remember what's the meaning for 黑色? Yeah, 黑色 is like one of colors. Okay, from the picture you can see that very clear, right? Even though you don't remember that, like, yeah, that phrase, we can know this is like black pants, right? So the black pants. So we say 黑色的裤子. 黑色的裤子. Okay? And now, actually, we can try to make a sentence with that. Okay? So here it should be the dad, right? So dad is wearing black pants. Yeah. So here, okay, is wearing the black pants, right? So that would be the sentence we're going to make. So now let's separate these like phrases one by one. Okay. So the first one is dad. So dad in Chinese we say 爸爸. Okay. So last tone 爸爸. So it's wearing. Okay. So we just needed to focus on this word. So wear. Okay. The wearing. So wearing that would be 穿. Okay, so 是爸爸穿 so black pants. So we just put the words here. See, so this is 黑色的裤子. See, so that would be the first sentence. Okay. So one more time for this sentence. Okay. 爸爸穿黑色的裤子. Sorry, I forgot to put the tone of this word. So 爸爸穿黑色的裤子. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Any question? Yeah, if you don't have any questions, so we can move on to the next one. Okay. So let's see this like little boy, right? So okay, this little boy is wearing, I think it's like blue, right? The blue pants. So how can we say blue? Blue in Chinese. Okay. So blue, that would be 蓝色. Okay. Only 蓝色. 蓝色. Okay. When we say blue pants, that will be 蓝色的裤子. Okay. 蓝色的裤子. Okay. This is the blue. Okay. So we say okay, like the boy, right? So the boy is wearing a blue pants, right? Okay, wearing blue pants. That's enough. Okay, so let's try to make a sentence with this word we learned. Okay, so this boy. Okay, so if we don't know how to say that, so that is fine. Just put this boy. Okay, here. Okay, just copy this boy. So yeah, we just focus on to the word, the phrases we learned. Okay, so we can say the boy is wearing that would be 穿 blue pants, right? Blue pants will be 蓝色的裤子. Okay, yeah, so one more time. Okay, for this sentence, the boy 穿蓝色的裤子. Okay, the boy 穿蓝色的裤子. Okay, so dad is wearing black pants. That would be 爸爸穿黑色的裤子. Okay, so yeah, so the keyword is like 裤子. Okay, and another word where is 穿. So 穿裤子 Okay, 穿裤子 Okay, so let's move on to the next one, okay? Just memorize these, like, the structure. Then you can, make a lot of sentences. So next one. So I think this one, they were talking about the shoes. Still remember shoes? How can we say shoes in Chinese? Shoes. Shoes will be 鞋子. 鞋子. Okay, 鞋子. So here, so I think so their shoes are yellow, right? So I think it's like yellow. Yellow is 黄色. So we say 黄色的鞋子. 黄色的鞋子. Okay, 黄色的 is yellow. 黄色的鞋子. Okay, so we can say, okay, let's do more practice with this one. So mom is wearing the yellow shoes. Okay, so how can we make sentence with that? So mom is mama. Okay, mama wearing is 穿 mama 穿 the yellow shoes 黄色的鞋子 Okay, one more. 妈妈穿黄色的鞋子 Okay, 妈妈穿黄色的鞋子 So here, actually the daughter, right? So here, the girl. So we just use the girl. Okay, girl is wearing like yellow shoes. Okay, so that would be the girl. Okay, keep making mistakes. Sorry. So the girl 穿黄色的鞋子 Okay, the girl 穿黄色的鞋子 Okay, 黄色的鞋子 Okay, so now I'm going to like test you guys. So how can we say the black shoes in Chinese? How can we say black shoes? Anyone wants to answer this one? The black, we just review this, right? What we learn for the pants, so we just learn, right? We just review black. So the black shoes, that would be 黑色的 right? 黑色的鞋子 黑色的鞋子 Okay, so how about blue shoes? The blue shoes? Blue, how can we say blue in Chinese? Blue. So the blue, that would be 蓝色 right? 蓝色的鞋子蓝色的鞋子 So do you have 蓝色的鞋子 Do you have these like blue shoes? Okay, so normally we can just ask, right? So do you have like 你有 like 你有蓝色的鞋子吗？你有蓝色的鞋子吗？ Okay, it's like do you have, right? Do you have blue shoes? Okay, so you can see here when we ask people, so especially for these like just ask people like do you have something, right? So we just use a very simple structure. We just put ma, you can see we just put ma at the end of the sentence, and from the question sentence I think the verb that would be have, right? Have. So have in Chinese we say 有 you can see 有 so do you have it's like 你有 da 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 吗 Okay, 你有 Okay, let me change another color to right. It's like, so do you have, okay, plus something. Okay, and we plus ma. So in Chinese, that structure is more like 你有 like plus something, and very important word that would be ma, because you need to like ask people, right? Yeah. So just compare for this structure and this sentence you will see. They're easy, right? Yeah, you just need to put like something to a sentence and to ask someone. Okay, so 你有 so that would be 你有蓝色的鞋子吗? Okay, so how can you say I have? So yes, I have. I have. So that would be 我有. Okay, I have. 我有 and plus something. So since the question sentence asks you like blue shoes, right? So now when you answer, you also need to like copy this part. So 我有蓝色的 OK 鞋子 OK 我有蓝色的鞋子 OK so that would be the positive way to say and we also got another right like no I don't have one so in Chinese we say 我没有 OK I don't have one 我没有我没有 then add something 我没有蓝色的鞋子 OK 我没有蓝色的鞋子 that means I don't have right I don't have blue shoes 我没有 OK just something like that okay so maybe you can read after me for this okay the one question and two answers okay the first one that would be 你有蓝色的鞋子吗 okay so the answer one will be 我有蓝色的鞋子 okay another sentence that would be 我没有蓝色的鞋子 okay 我没有 okay yeah okay so any question okay I think that would be easy right it's not that hard yeah so I think like when we learn Chinese like you need to like memorize like some like simple structures that can help you to say a lot of sentences you know yeah this is very important yeah because the structure can help you to make sentence right and when you enlarge your vocabularies so you can put a lot of new words into the structure right so you can say a lot of sentences yeah okay so that was important okay so let's move on to the next one. So the next one, let's see. Okay, so what do we have this? Okay, so I think, okay, it's want to ask us about, yeah, what color is these like pants? Yeah, so, okay, also that would be the sentence, okay, so this is a Google. Google means like older brother, okay, like older brother. So 哥哥穿 blank 裤子 yeah 哥哥穿 blank 裤子 so now we need to add something here to describe about the pants right so according to the picture I think we're going to describe what this color yeah so what the color is it so that would be white yeah white so white in Chinese that would be 白色 okay this is a 白色白色 so in this sentence I think we just put 白色 into a sentence that would be the correct sentence okay so the whole part that would be 哥哥穿白色的裤子哥哥穿白色的裤子 okay so the next one so you can see 妹妹妹妹 here is like I think it's like younger sister yeah so younger sister 妹妹妹妹妹妹 blank 红色的 something so let's check here so we got the arrow here so okay so we are going to use this one shoes right so it should be like the right shoes the shoes in Chinese, that would be shoes in Chinese, that would be 鞋子 yeah 鞋子 So here, so the red shoes, that would be 红色的鞋子 okay, but we still have like one blank here. Yeah, so check this sentence. I think the whole sentence is missing the verb. Yeah, so it should be like younger sister is wearing the red shoes, right? So here is wearing. Where? Okay, so this one, that would be 穿. Yeah, this is the 穿. So the whole part, that would be 妹妹穿红色的鞋子. Okay, yeah, so read after me. 妹妹穿红色的鞋子. Okay, yeah. 好了, so one more time, this the first sentence, that would be 哥哥 older brother, 哥哥穿白色的裤子. Okay, so second, 妹妹 younger sister, 妹妹穿红色的鞋子. Okay, so yeah, just do more practice with the structure. So let's see the next one. Okay, so we're going to judge the sentence is true or false, okay? Because we got the picture here. Okay, so let's see the sentence. 他穿白色的裤子。白色的裤子。你好。白色的裤子。白色的裤子 that would be okay, that would be white, right? I think that is white. But check the character here. I think this girl is wearing the blue pants, right? So the blue one, the blue should be 蓝色, right? 蓝色的. Okay. So the sentence is wrong, right? So now we're going to choose. No, it's not correct. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's check the next one. So here, 他穿紫色的鞋子。他穿紫色的鞋子。So we got like shoes, 鞋子, right? 鞋子 and that part. So this is 紫色的。紫色的 What is 紫色? What's the color? This color, that would be purple. Okay, the purple shoes, the purple. So let's check this. Yeah, this girl. The shoes. Yeah, this is like purple, right? 紫色. Okay, by the way, purple is my favorite color. 我很喜欢紫色. 我喜欢紫色. Okay, so yeah, but 我没有紫色的鞋。我没有紫色的鞋子。Okay, I don't have like the purple shoes. Okay, yeah. 我没有紫色的鞋子 But here, the answer that would be correct, right? 他穿紫色的鞋子 Okay. Yeah, so the next one. Oh, sorry, let's go back to a little bit. What happened? Okay, so start here. So we're going to see. 他穿绿色的绿色的裤子和蓝色的鞋子。So we got like the two stuffs we need to check, right? So one is 裤子 is pants, right? Let's find the pants here. So and the color that would be 绿色的。绿色呢？绿色 is green. So check here. So it's match, right? Okay. So 他穿绿色的裤子 That part is correct. Let's see the next part. So next one, 鞋子 would be shoes. Let's check this one. This part, shoes. Okay, that would be the second part. So the second part is saying 蓝色的 is blue. 穿是什么 Change. 穿 is wear. 是穿 穿 is like wear. Yeah, this is a 穿. Okay, that's the verb. Okay, normally we use that to describe like 我穿白色的衣服. Okay, 我穿鞋子 something like that. Okay, yeah. So here is talking about like 他穿, so that means like he's wearing. Okay, he's wearing like green pants and blue shoes. Okay, so in that case, they're wrong, right? Yeah, the sentence is correct. So this is a 对. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's check next one. What? Okay, yeah. So, okay. So actually, we learned like 3 words today, right? So one is 穿, one is 鞋子, another one is 裤子. Yeah, 穿, as I said before, 穿, that was the verb, right? To like wear clothes, right? 穿, 裤子. So 裤子, this is the pants. Yeah. White. Okay. So next one, 鞋子. 鞋子, that would be the shoes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So do we have another? Oh. Okay. So that one we're going to do more practice. Okay. Because we're going to make sentence by using this given word. So let's see the given word. So the first one is the 穿. 穿. 穿, that would be what? That would be wear. 裤子 times 他 the person. 蓝色的 that would be blue. Okay. Yeah, so let's make sentence together, okay? So the whole part, yeah, that would be like he's wearing, okay, blue pants, right? Okay, so according to this like sentence structure, the first word that would be the subject would be he, right? 就是他. Okay, is wearing. Wearing, that would be the verb. That would be 穿. So next one would be the blue pants. That would be 蓝色的裤子. Okay, yeah. So 他穿蓝色的裤子. Okay, 他穿蓝色的裤子. Okay, yeah, we got this. So 穿 same. Okay, so wear. 鞋子 is like shoes. 他 some subject, right? That would be he. 黄色的 that would be yellow. So the sentence we can make is like he's wearing yellow shoes. Okay, so of course the first word that would be 他. Yeah. 穿. Okay, the yellow is 黄色的鞋子. 他穿黄色的鞋子. Okay, 他穿黄色的鞋子. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, so I think that will be the last part. We're going to like a summary, like what we learned today. Okay, so the first sentence, 他穿蓝色的裤子. 他穿蓝色的裤子. So we're going to describe it, right? So that color should be orange, right? Like he's wearing orange pants. Yeah, the orange. Okay, orange is not that common in the common color. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you how to say orange, that color intense. That would be 橙色的, 橙色. Okay, the orange, 橙色. So yeah, we just need to use 橙色 to replace blue, right? So the whole sentence that would be 他穿橙色的裤子. Yeah, okay, let me type. 他穿橙色的 裤子. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so here, that would be the white shoes, right? Also it's 他, so we can say 他穿白色的 shoes, that would be 鞋子. Okay, 鞋子. Okay? Okay, that's all. So I think that's all we learned today. Okay. So do you have any question for what we learned today? Yeah, if you don't have any question, yeah, I think it's time for us to say goodbye. Okay, time flies. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hope you can like review them like after class, okay? Yeah, it's very important. Yeah, so one is wear 穿, so pants will be 裤子. Okay, 鞋子 will be shoes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think yeah, I think that's all. Mhm. Okay, so if you are interested in like Chinese, okay, so I think you can search the website like for like e-Chinese learning. Okay, so I think our school like prepare like special gift for guys if you want to learn like Chinese. Okay, yeah, just yeah, contact our school. Okay, so see you next time. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.